Hi foodies, I'm Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. As you all know, winters are approaching near, so let's make some hot mixed vegetable soup for this coming winters. This is very nutritious also and easy to make. First up, heat the oil in a wok and fry the onions. Also add ginger garlic paste to it and again fry it for 1 minute. Keep stirring it until it is tender. To this we are going to add the tomatoes, now cabbage, next carrots, capsicum, corns and peas and a bay leaf. Mix well nicely until they are nice, soft and tender and let it cook for some time, and also add in the water and let it come to boil. Boil it for around 5 minutes until all the veggies are nicely cooked and tender, and if you want you can also cover it with a lid and keep it on low flame for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now remove the lid and check. Yes, it is cooked enough. Now I am going to add salt, pepper, sugar, red chili flakes and thyme and mix well. You can mash very little with the help of a masher if you want at this point of time. Also stir in the cornstarch water to it. Let it boil until it's thickened enough. Once you get the desired consistency, discard the bay leaf and serve it hot in the bowl or container of your choice and garnish it with some fresh coriander on top. And my lovely hot mixed vegetable soup is ready for this winters. As you can see, it's come quite colorful and full of herbs and spices. And if you're making for your children and if you don't like little chunky, you can also just puree it in the blender and then serve hot. So do try it and let me know. And also hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.